Hi guys, welcome back. So let's get into the hands-on with Apache Atlas. So in order to do the start with the hands-on, okay, we have to set up the environment of HortonWorks, right? So instead of doing the HortonWorks setup in our machines, because we definitely need lots of infrastructure support. We need a minimum of 12 GB RAM, either i3 or i5 processor for a better performance. Instead of getting into all those headaches, I suggest you to use the cloud services, right? So we can use either Amazon Web Service or Microsoft Azure. I suggest you to go with Microsoft Azure because it's very cheap. So you can register with the Microsoft account. Okay, you can get into the Microsoft link here, and then anyway I'll share you a document to setting up the environment, okay, in a detailed steps with the screenshots as well. But here we go, like let's create a free account, and then once you create the free account you'll get a 30 days trial, and then after that, okay, you'll be charged $0.25 per hour, so which is very minimal, right? So let's start free. So you can provide all your basic details. Okay, I have already given all my details here. So you, it may ask you your card details, your basic information, your address, whatever it may be. Just fill up all those details and then complete your uh, you know uh, your registration with the Microsoft, and then try to create an account in that. So I've already created mine. I'm just logging in. It's setting up my subscription. So it's gonna take some time to register you as a user. Please bear with me. Yeah, here we go. So it will all ask you to performing. You have plenty of options here. So what kind of, what is the purpose of creating this account? Okay, you can choose any one of these. Let me choose. Mm, yeah, I can choose this option, and then let me go with, yeah, it's a for personal education, learning and development. Okay, good. So let's continue to the Azure portal. Good. So here is the dashboard. So click on the marketplace. So it has listed down all the services that what you can launch in Microsoft Azure cloud. So not only Hadoop, not only no HortonWorks environment, even you can set up different kinds of servers, you different types of databases. So like the cloud computing platform really going to help us in many ways to save our infrastructure expenses in our IT career. So let's search for our HortonWorks, yeah, sandbox. So here we go, we have HortonWorks sandbox of HTTP 2.5 version. Click on it. So you can create one virtual machine for you in the cloud. So let's set up the configuration, the basic settings. I'll just give the username as Srikanth. Okay, so minimum 12 characters it should be. That's great. Okay. Yeah, so the basic settings of my virtual machine has been set. Make sure that you remember all these details, especially the username and password. So here is the machine that what we're going to select. So supported hard disk type is okay. Yep. So let's choose A5 standard. Okay, at least we have 14 GB of RAM, so that is enough for us to hassle-free development in the cluster. But anyhow, we're gonna use the trial version. I think A5 standard is much enough. So just select this machine, A5, and then yeah, you can cancel the subscription whenever if you feel like, okay, if you're not gonna pay more, yeah, it's up to you. Like, you can cancel the subscription anytime. So configure, these are the optional features. If you want to change any one of these details, okay, you can change. Good. So here we go. Like, so initially they will be charging us nothing for the initial 30 days of trial version, and then later they will be charging just 25 cents per hour. Sounds good, right? Let's create our virtual machine. So it's initializing the deployment. With all the features and the configuration settings that we have provided, it will create a virtual machine in the cloud and then provide us those IP details to us. So using which we can connect to that machine, and then we can start working with the ecosystems of Hadoop in HortonWorks. It's a very simple thing. So if you want to set up the environment by yourself, so you have to go through uh, lots of configuration setup. So it's not that gonna be easy. People, especially who has the background knowledge on Linux, uh, if you have worked as an admin earlier, or if you have good uh, basic knowledge in Linux environment, then you're good enough to install HortonWorks uh, setup in your own machine. Or you can also go for Cloudera. So only thing is that you have to spend some more time, and then your machine should have the uh, enough amount of RAM, the infrastructure, because Hadoop definitely needs more infrastructure support, preferably 12 GB RAM or more than that. Right? So it will take some time. So once the machine, the virtual machine is created, okay, it will give you those details. Okay, I'll continue with the deployment on this video in the. I'll continue the same topic in the next video, and then okay, we can start working on Atlas. Okay, in our next video. Thanks for watching.